So in this video, I'm going to go with a small walkthrough on a guide to start selling online. Now, there are a lot of clients who comes to me who wants to sell their service, mostly services, by the way, like you want to sell IT service, you want to do a design service, or you want to teach yoga. They have their good skills, but they don't know how to make it digitalize, how to present to the world. So apart from this, there are other way also, like affiliate marketings and all other places for which we can start to sell things online, and you can get a good revenue from it. So in this article, I've been telling about all these parts. We've been starting with the e-commerce. If you want to sell and you want to start with selling a physical product, what I have been doing is that you can go and register with Amazon sellers account. And with the Amazon sellers, as you know, Amazon has a very big audience base, so you will be able to get all the customers of and all over the marketplaces, like other countries too. You can start selling what is your physical product. Now in this, I've been also told about couple of places from where you can get a wholesale market. In India, I know about Sadar Bazaar, which is in Delhi. A few are apart from, like in different countries. You can visit Alibaba.com. I think this is what mostly people go with, the wholesale. Now, apart from this, I have been also talking about Shopify. If you want to also have your own e-commerce store, you don't want to go with Amazon's selling platform, then you can go and set up your own e-commerce store using Shopify in just few. Now, apart from this, if you want to sell and showcase your service as a freelancing or a company, you can have a look into Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. This is the best place I have been using in my past also. Now, apart from this, if you want to go and have your own store, I have used WordPress with on Hostinger, so which allows me to have my entire website with all shopping information, products I want to offer. Also, it allows easy checkout with PayPal, then Visa, and all. So all these things comes within as a plugin inside it, and you guys can also go and check it out. It's very easy. I don't recommend, or I really don't start to build these things from scratch. I personally feel if you want to have an e-commerce and you want to have a good store, starting with WordPress is the perfect thing. Now, apart from this, if you are teaching or you are into education business and you want to go and tell about your courses, you can offer it on Udemy for a certain amount. The same version you can also keep on YouTube. Now, this I tell to most of my clients why to keep on YouTube is because to get a free version or a free look of what you are offering. Now, if you want to expand that version and you want to tell, like, okay, for further part, you can go and check my Udemy course. So people can again redirect from YouTube to your Udemy courses. If you want to have your own system, which is an LMS system from scratch, you don't want to use Udemy, you don't want to use YouTube, you can go to systemy.io. They have a fully fledged platform where you can start their system, and you can use it for online tutoring, then marketing, affiliation, a lot of things happen. So you can check systemy.io. Now, last is the affiliate marketing. If you want to start affiliate marketing, you can see and check out PartnerSec. I've been also coming with other videos in which I've been talking about a lot of affiliate tools out there. A couple of which are most popular are like HubSpot and Hostinger and Fiverr. You can check it out. Also, PartnerSite has a lot of tie up with hosting the affiliate companies, so they may also help you out. Now, if you want to promote those affiliate links and all, you can tell the word by using Medium or any kind of blog. I feel like blogging is the best thing you should be doing if you want to promote your particular affiliate marketing. So this was all. You can go, and this link would be in the description down below. You can go and check it out. This entire article on that. It may help you out on getting started for selling online, and you may find it useful. We will be also coming with more videos in the future, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.